In a quaint town, a mischievous tabby named
In this video, I will show you how to create whiteboard animation video using Canva for free. These are the steps we will be following to create whiteboard animation video in Canva. We will generate our story using AI. We will also generate our audio using AI. And we will also generate images using AI. And finally, we will combine all these elements to create our whiteboard animation video in Canva. Let's start. Let's generate our story. To do this, open ChatGPT and give it your prompt to generate your story. After that, let's generate our audio in Clipchamp editor using the story we generated from ChatGPT. To do this, go to clipchamp.com. Click on Create New Video. On the left side, click on Record and Create. Scroll down and select Text-to-Speech. Copy the story generated in ChatGPT and paste it in Clipchamp here. You can select your language here. Also, you can choose your voice here. After you are done with that, click Save to generate your audio. So, here is your generated audio. Now, save the audio onto your computer by clicking on Export button here. Select the quality you want. And our audio is saved. But it's saved in MP4 format. So let's convert it to MP3. Open cloudconvert.com on your browser and click on Select File to locate the MP4 file you generated with your Clipchamp. After that, select MP3 and click on Convert. Download the MP3 file onto your computer. Now, we need to generate our images with Leonardo AI. Open Leonardo AI and click on Image Generation. On the left side here, choose the size of your image. Give the AI your prompt or command in this space. After that, click on Generate. When it is done generating, download the images using this button. Now let's finish our whiteboard animation video with Canva. Now open canva.com. Click on Create Design and select Video. Click on Apps on the left side here and search for Speed Paint. Click on Choose Your File to bring your generated images into Canva. Also choose your sketch duration. Also, you can choose the color fill duration. You can also change the background color. And make sure you select Add Sketching Hand Effect. After you are done with your preferred settings, click on Animate Image and wait for it to finish. Now upload your audio or your voiceover we generated with Clipchamp. To do this, go to Upload and select your file, your audio file. After it is done uploading, drag and drop your audio into the Canva workspace. You can add more scenes by clicking on the plus sign here and continue the same process to create more scenes. When you are done with your video, download it by clicking on share here. Scroll down and click on download. Click on download to download the video. To get Canva Pro for free, watch this video.